If your all-terrain tires are loud, you bought the wrong ones, and I can prove it. Most people think AT tires have to drone on the highway. That road roar, that constant hum, they accept it as the price for off-road capability. But here's the truth. 5 all-terrain tires exist right now that are quieter than some highway tires. One is so quiet that testers said it lacked high-speed road noise entirely, even at racetrack speeds. I ranked these 5 tires from least quiet to absolute quietest based on independent testing and real owner reports. By the end, you'll know exactly which tire gives you off-road capability without the noise penalty. And I'll show you the one tire to avoid, the popular AT that Tire Rack called most intrusive in the cabin. Here's how I'm ranking them: noise level on highways, comfort scores from professional tests, and real-world feedback. Worst to first. Number 5. Kumho Road Venture AT52. The AT52 is noticeably quieter than its predecessor, the AT51. One reviewer immediately noticed how quiet and smooth they were right off the shop. Why it's quiet? The tread uses dense siping and multi-pitch blocks with sound-deadening inner grooves for noise mitigation. Highway cruising is comfortable and refined for an AT. Here's what surprised testers. It offers a much more planted feel through corners thanks to deep lateral grooves and 3D siping. Kumho claims up to 20% better wear than the old AT51 with a 60,000-mile warranty. Who it's for? Budget-conscious buyers who want significant noise reduction over older AT designs without paying premium prices. If you're upgrading from a loud tire, this is your entry point. Number 4. Firestone Destination A T2. The AT2 emphasizes low noise with a solid center rib specifically engineered for a quiet ride. In tests, it measured around 70 decibels on the road, very good for an AT. Drivers report it's very quiet and comfortable on pavement. Why it's quiet? The continuous center rib and wide grooves help damp road roar. The high void tread pattern includes hydro grip channels that manage water without creating loud air gaps. But here's what matters more. It's 3 PMSF snowflake rated, and in mixed snow tests, it matched or beat competitors in stopping distance. You're getting winter capability with the quiet ride. Who it's for? Daily drivers who need a do-it-all tire. If you commute on highways but still tow a camper or hit dirt roads on weekends, this balances everything without an annoying drone. Wait, before we get to the top 3, let me show you what we're avoiding. The Toyo Open Country AT3. Tire Rack testing specifically noted it creates multitonal noise most intrusive in the cabin. That high-pitched, two-tone roar is exactly what these 5 tires eliminate. Remember that, because the difference is massive. Number 3. Bridgestone Dueler AT Ascent. The Ascent was explicitly tuned for comfort. Testers noted it impresses in winter and does a reasonable job controlling noise on the road. In detailed trials, the tire exhibited a moderate roar on coarse pavement that blended into a soft warble at speed, but overall, noise was deemed typical for an AT with no harsh tonal spikes. Why it's quiet? Bridgestone's internal sound pattern design attenuates higher frequencies. The symmetric block pattern with circumferential grooves manages airflow to reduce cabin noise. And here's the real story. Tire Rack's wet brake tests showed the Ascent stopping more than 12 feet shorter than competitors. It also posted the best winter figures of its test group. You're getting elite wet and snow performance with the quiet ride. Who it's for? Safety-focused drivers in wet or snowy climates who refuse to compromise braking performance for comfort. If you need confidence in rain and winter without the noise, this is it. Number 2. Continental TerrainContact A. Continental's TerrainContact is an on-road all-terrain engineered specifically for quiet highway manners. In Tire Rack testing, it produced low, steady tone on coarse surfaces and a faint, rhythmic hum on smoother pavement. It earned one of the highest on-road comfort scores, 6.88 out of 10. Why it's quiet? Closely spaced tread blocks with 3D sipes channel water without creating large air gaps. As highway speed climbs, only a faint hum appears. No roar, no drone. What caught everyone off guard? It was top-ranked for dry and wet braking in tests. Tire Rack found it balanced and responsive with excellent wet grip, and it's 3 PMSF rated with a 60 to 65,000 mile warranty. Who it's for? Highway-focused drivers who occasionally need off-road capability. If 80% of your driving is pavement, but you need AT versatility, this delivers highway tire refinement. But it's not number one. The Quietest AT tire is something most people overlook. Number 1. Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus. This is it. The Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus is the quietest all-terrain tire you can buy. Off-road extreme testing found a lack of high-speed road noise that impressed us the most. Despite its aggressive look, testers noted lack of tire roar even at racetrack speeds. The internal structure and multi-pitch tread cancel sound so effectively that it's quieter than some touring tires. Why it's quiet? Pirelli engineered the internal structure specifically to eliminate high-frequency resonance. The multi-pitch tread blocks vary in size and spacing, breaking up sound waves before they reach the cabin. What sets it apart? It's 3 PMSF rated for severe snow, offers strong wet traction, and features rugged stone ejectors for mud and sand. You're getting legitimate off-road capability. This isn't a compromise tire. Who it's for? Anyone who wants the absolute quietest ride without sacrificing off-road performance. If you've been avoiding AT tires because of noise, the Pirelli proves you don't have to choose. Disclaimer: claims based on public tests, owner reports, and feedback. Results may vary, not professional advice. The bottom line: if your AT tires are loud, you didn't do your research. These 5 tires prove you can have off-road capability and highway refinement. Remember, the Toyo Open Country AT3 and Cooper AT3 create high-pitched multi-tonal and two-tone roar that's intrusive. The Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus eliminates it entirely, even at race speeds. Drop a comment. What AT tire are you running and how's the noise level? And if you want to know which AT tire dominates in snow, check out our breakdown next. Stay quiet out there.